Welcome to Creative Bath Lab. Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to make pumpkin bath bombs. You can make solid or hollow pumpkins. These bath bombs are stunning and they're a lot of fun to make. They would make awesome gifts too. They're also amazing in water. Stay tuned in for the results. Add wet to dry very slowly while whisking. Then rub the mix between your hands to ensure ingredients are thoroughly incorporated. This is the hollow top mold. It makes this bomb. This is the hollow bottom mold. It makes this bomb. You can put the two small molds together to make a regular pumpkin, or include the jacket to make a bigger pumpkin. And this is the plug mold. This makes a plug to go into the top hollow side. To make a hollow bomb, fill both mold sides. Then shove the bottom into the top. Make sure the molds are aligned and firmly press the two molds together. Tap both sides with a spoon. Then pull the jacket off. Gently tap to release the top. Flip the bomb over and gently tap again to release the bottom. Dry the bombs for 24 hours. To make a solid pumpkin, fill both molds and then smush them together. To make the plug bomb, fill the mold and push the top on. Loosen the jacket and tap both sides. Gently remove the jacket and gently tap the bottom until the bomb is released. This is a fondant pick tool. It has a skinny side and a thicker side. This step is optional, but to make the pumpkin lines a bit deeper, use this tool to score the lines in. After, go over the lines in the middle of the pumpkin with the thicker side. I recommend testing potential paint colors on broken or ugly pumpkins first. This will give you a chance to compare colors and to choose the perfect one. Paint one side and then let it dry. Then paint the other side along with any touch-up areas and let it dry. After it's completely dry brush the balm to remove loose mica. You can fill the bombs with whatever you want. Salts are easy to color and they look great in the bombs, especially fall colored salts, but this is your choice. For more information on bath salts, click the icon. Here are some sample colors that look great in the pumpkins. Stems are optional, but you already know I'm all about those small details, so I went outside and rustled up some sticks. For packaging, you can tie two halves together with a pretty ribbon, place the pumpkin in tulle, or place it in a pretty box. The bath bomb was very entertaining. I put the top in first and it bubbled, fizzed, and foamed around the tub. I put the bottom part in and the first thing I noticed was the glittery sparkles going everywhere. I kept trying to film the sparkling foam and missed the bowl going under. It happened so quick, it went under, poured out the salt, and popped right back up. From this point on, the bomb was a slow foamer and it lasted over 10 minutes.